Good morning, sixth graders. Obviously, I'm not here today, so this video is going to explain what you need to work on today, and it's going to be continuing working on the 3D puzzle. And so today you're going to do task number 2 and get started with task number 3. I doubt you finished task number 3, but you'll have time to finish that on Friday. And so task number 2 is getting into Tinkercad, which is the website that you're going to be using to make your 3D objects and the 3D puzzle that I'll eventually 3D print for you. And so today it's going to be a day to explore. And to do that, you're going to go to Schoology, and you'll notice your to-do list is already posted in Schoology for you. And the first thing is to open up your design notebook for this. And you will need to open this up. For one, it goes through step-by-step instructions of how you're going to do Tinkercad. But also, you're going to need to take screenshots of the work that you do, putting it in your design notebook. So once you have your design notebook opened, you're going to go to task number 2. And remember, at any point today between task number 2 and task number 3, if you're having trouble with Tinkercad, these videos are already embedded in your design notebook where you can click on this video, or for task number 3, same thing. You can click on this video and it'll go a little bit more in depth of what you need to do for the assignment. Ultimately, though, you're going to just follow along step by step. Don't skip any of them, of what you need to do to sign in. So for example, the first one says, log into Tinkercad. You click on it, and then you're going to be jumping back and forth between this tab and your design notebook quite a bit. The next one says, join now. So you go up here. Oh, mine's already different because I've already signed in. Yours will look like this. So in the top right corner, it says, join now. And then from there, you'll click join a class. The next thing is you need to copy this code and you will paste it in for the class code. So go through it one step at a time. Please don't forget to do any of these steps. And from there, though, you're just going to explore Tinkercad. And so to do that, I'll do a demonstration here. Did I do the wrong one? There we go. You'll go to the Google icon at the bottom, which you'll use your email address to sign in. You'll click on Create New Design, and you can create really anything that you want and explore different shapes, different letters, how to move things, how to make things bigger. And so on the right-hand side here, you're going to see a ton of different shapes. You'll see that there's the text option, and so whatever you end up creating, you can drag it out here, shrink it, enlarge it, get different objects up here, and whatever you decide is your object, at the end, you're going to take a screenshot, and you'll see that down here. This is the end of task number 2, is take a screenshot of whatever it is that you create, get creative with it, and put it in here. When you're done with task number 2 of creating something, because I don't think this will take the entire class, then you move on to task number 3. And task number 3 is going over starters and lessons within Tinkercad. And this is going to help guide you with how to look at different objects from different angles, or how to move things, or how to enlarge things and duplicate things. So to do that, you're going to click on Tinkercad and go to the home page. In the top right corner, you'll see it says Learn. And then from there, you see it says Starters, Lessons, and Projects. Well, today you're just doing Starters, and the first one says Place It. Now, as I go through this, if you're thinking, I'm not going to remember all of this, all of these instructions are in your design notebook. So just one at a time, go through it, click on Learn, you'll see Starters, and then that first one is Place It. So once you click on Place It, you're going to go through step-by-step instructions of doing each one of these. And mine was already created. When you open it up, you're not going to see this, but you'll go through on the side here. Step 1 is this. Step 2 is this. And once you actually do that step, you'll take a screenshot of this and put it in your design notebook. And so this is what you'll try to work on between today and Friday, finishing up all of these starters and lessons down below. Okay, so have some fun with Tinkercad, learn a little bit of how to use it by yourself, and I will see you on Friday. Whoever your guest teacher is right now, I want everybody on a count of 3 to shout out, "Thank you for being here." 1, 2, 3. All right, be kind. See you on Friday.